This is a second-hand KUBOTA U55-4 hydraulic crawler excavator. The U55-4 excavator is equipped with the original KUBOTA V2607DI engine. The bucket capacity is 0.19 cubic meters. Excavator bucket and matching tank clamp. Boom swing function. Mini excavators are flexible in operation. Widely used in construction and farm. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,300 kilogram. Power is 47.6 kilowatt. Clean and amazing appearance. The core components are all original. Good performance, very flexible.